Welcome to Nookology. I'm your host, Nikki. Happy fall, y'all. It's that time of year, and that means sangria. Let's get started in teaching you how to make the perfect sangria. All right, first of all, you're gonna need 3 cups of apple cider. Already got it. Now we're gonna add the fruit, because sangria means you have to have fruit. That's the whole point of it. And we've got it right here. We've got apples and pears. And you want to have it a little tart, you want to have it a little sweet. So Granny Smith's the tart, and then you can have some Fiji or Pink Lady, my favorite, any kind of sweet apple. And then your pears. So let's just add that. Perfect. And now the wine. That's the magic of the sangria. So you can just add as much as you want. And in this case, it's 2020. So we've got the industrial strength. I think 2020 calls for it. I think that goes without saying. So you want to add your magnum of wine to your 3 cups of apple cider and your fruit. Patience, it's a virtue. I've got plenty of it. Did I mention it's 2020? All right, so once you've added your wine, last but not least, you're gonna add your peach vodka. Half a cup, peach vodka. That's the little something something. And you just stir it, put on your lid, stick it in the fridge for at least an hour. You want it nice and cold, and you want all those flavors to intermingle and perfect. Now, while that's getting cold, let's get messy. Now it's time to make our caramel apple bar. Fun! It is fall. Fall, fun, go together. So let's do it. You need apples, first of all. Of course, the base of the caramel apple. And then you don't forget your sticks, because otherwise it's gonna be really messy. So you need your base. You need your caramel or your fudge or both. Now the toppings. You got your Oreos. Any kind of cookie will do, whatever you desire. Mini marshmallows, sprinkles, and of course, M&Ms and chocolate bits. Let's make one. So you take your apple, and first you have to take the stem out. Don't forget that, otherwise it's hard to get the stick in. Now stick that stick way down in there nice and good so it doesn't fall out. Now you're gonna drizzle a little caramel over it. In my case, a little caramel and a little fudge. Get it nice and gooey. Now, it's the fun part, rolling it in the cookies or whatever toppings you like. I like the Oreos, and I like a little marshmallow with mine. And just, you're only limited by imagination. Have fun, go wild. And there you have it. We have our chilled sangria we just got out of the refrigerator. And we have our caramel apple bar all set and ready to go, and our caramel apples ready to be eaten by the kids or the adults. I think we've worked hard today. I'm ready for a nice little cozy night in. I think I'm gonna, try this before the guests come over to make sure, it's good. Perf, absolutely fantastic. Like I said before, happy fall, y'all. Cheers.